Hi everyone, this is Parul. I teach yoga to adults and kids, and today I have a yoga practice for kids. It's called Five Finger Breathing Practice. It's really simple. You can do it from anywhere. It will help kids relax, make them more mindful and make them more aware of themselves. So let me show you how we're going to do it. So you can sit comfortably. You can sit how I am sitting in rock pose, or you can sit in a cross-legged position. Okay, and you're going to take your one hand out, either of the hand is okay. You're going to take the index finger of the other hand. You're going to take your index finger from the bottom of your thumb and you're going to take it up and breathe in through your nose and take a pause and breathe out through your mouth. We continue like this. Breathe in up through your nose, breathe out through your mouth. Do it slowly. You can close your eyes or soften your eye gaze. Go up, breathe in, breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose up, breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose up and breathe out through your mouth. And then you get your index finger back again, and then you can switch your hand. Okay, so we're going to do this with the other hand. So take the index finger of the other hand, take your index finger from the top, take your index finger from the bottom and take your index finger up. Breathe in, take a pause, breathe out through your mouth, down. Breathe in up, pause, breathe out through your mouth. Continue, breathe in up, breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in up, pause, breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in up, breathe out through your mouth. And then you can get your index finger back. So you can do this practice 3 to 5 times. Kids can do it from anywhere and they will feel relaxed and mindful as a result of this practice. Thank you so much. Namaste.